Part 6. Device Settings. Click the Device Settings tab, and we can configure the different parameters associated with whichever device in our system that you have selected. So, depending on which device you're using, the parameters may look different from what we're showing here. Click on Update Current Time, and you can set the device to the current time, and moving forward, all time stamping from your device will be based on this start time. The default setting for user hours is the time from when your device was manufactured and calibrated. Click the Rename Device button if you wish to do so. That will open this dialog box where you can enter a new device name of your choosing. I'll call this Control Room and click OK, and now you can see the device name in the upper left has changed to Control Room. Factory Reset will reset your device back to its default settings. Just be aware that includes not just the settings here in this window, but all settings including input settings such as alarms, output settings, everything. So be sure you really want to start over before selecting that. To avoid losing all of your device settings, click on Save Configuration, and you can save a file to your computer with all of your current device settings. And to load that file, Load Configuration allows you to load a previously saved configuration from your computer. And if you wish to set a password for a smart probe, click Set Passwords and a Security Settings dialog box will open. I'm not going to set one now, so I'll leave it blank.